हाय एंड वेलकम सलाम नमस्ते ने मजा आई नो ये बहुत बड़ा पसारा दिख रहा है एंड इट्स टू मच मेस but yes it's time to travel. So this was this April my Easter holidays that I was visiting India. So majorly I travel as much as possible whenever my holidays are there, not only India but many places but majorly India. तो बस ये सुबह 6:40 का फ्लाइट था एज यूजुअल माय फेवरेट इंडिगो and I pack my own food. Remember this that Indigo na khana deta hai na bedsheet deta hai. So to stay warm, you have to carry your own either blanket, shawl, or jacket, however you wish to stay warm. And for food, you can buy from them, but वो कैसा होता है if you want उपमा वो boiled water डालेंगे उसमें और फिर you have to wait 5 minutes and you can eat. Similarly, there are many ready to eat or instant things that they have, which I don't believe in. Rather, I would take a little bit of effort and eat my own. So I packed my omelette. I had prepared at night with chopping of tomatoes, onion, and everything. So morning सिर्फ अंडा डाल के मैंने इसको पका लिया. Then I had this babka bread. I warmed that, and this is my Black Forest yogurt. The best thing that can let you sustain for a longer time and healthy as well. क्योंकि happen sometimes sensitive stomach like me can give a lot of trouble. So अपना cheese cube, avocado सब कुछ डाल के I packed everything. Help के लिए अलग रखा सब कुछ. And then मेरी चाय. I'm like, let me have my chai. तो बाद में कहीं भी कुछ पीने का you don't get that urge. I'm sure all the chai lovers can connect. बस फिर my chauffeur was here. So I requested my security to kindly help me with the bags and all. Bags लेके फिर ये हम चल पड़े अपने मंजिल की तरफ. That's to India. So if you see again, it's good to hire someone whom you trust. So I actually have a person who usually comes to pick me at 3 or 4 o'clock, and then we head to the airport. ये हम पहुंच गए हमारा airport. There was lot of rush. Yes, this time Indigo was full because of the Easter break. Many people were going for wedding. I saw so many things happening. बस फिर अपना क्यू में खड़े रह के जाम्बो बोल के I was inside. Just look at this. I sit usually when it's very short queue. That is the time I go. So I'm at the Indigo gate. There was a lot of issues and all, but that is okay. We're about to board, and it's gonna be where I'll keep you tuned. Who's gonna come to pick me up? So let's go and we fly. So our zones were called, and here I'm in the flight. Okay, I know मैं इंडिगो की बहुत तारीफ करती हूँ and I really like it. But problem is this time it was not good क्योंकि गर्मी ऐसी हो रही थी नायरोबी में ऐसा लग रहा था I'm already in the Mumbai. So बस फिर ये आजू बाजू में my seat people were really good. Auntie had brought hondo. The person next to me had this thepla and chundo. Then auntie gave us these cookies. It was a lovely treat. और थोड़ी देर बाद मैंने अपना yogurt खाया. This auntie is very well traveled personnel. I didn't know you can actually gauge on the basis of the way you see the ocean and all. So she used to say, now we are near, now it's the ocean time and all. And this was our landing zone. So as we were about to land, I like, let me just capture how beautiful it is outside. I don't know, my camera is not doing the justice, but trust me, it was amazing. Finally, smooth touchdown करके वो flight में गर्मी फिर बॉम्बे की गर्मी. It is hot. It was really hot in April here. बस फिर क्या हम किए लैंड. लैंड करने के बाद we did our checkout and everything. Things were all fine by God's grace. And then, like I told you, who's going to come? A special person to
Is my
receive me.
Friday looking like? I have landed, and finally, as I told you, when I reach, I'll let you know with whom I'm gonna go. So I have my student who's picking me. I taught her when she was in grade 6. I don't know what was the connection we have. It's been 10 years. I taught her in 2013, and now she's in university, big person. But I have many of my students as well who generally connect with me. So let's see how it goes, and she's going to come to receive, and then we'll go out and fend some food joint as usual. When you're in India, the spices and the food is what talks. So let's see how it goes about.
So while she was connecting or I was waiting for her, like हम थोड़ा airport के नज़ारे मारते हैं, AC का थोड़ा लुफ्त उठाए, फिर जाएंगे बाहर. So she told me she'll let me know when she's coming up, and accordingly I will move.
So this is our Mumbai Airport's auto stand. You have to come with your luggage here, and you see how he's helping. So every auto is queued up. You see the queue, how it is till the end. So from this queue, now these two attendants are the ones who help the passenger to board in. You see how she's getting in. Now all the people who have come from the flight, they will come and queue up here, and that is how then they'll get their autos one by one. I have my student picking me, so I'm standing at the corner and watching the whole scenario. It's a beautiful way the whole automation, or you can say the way they have devised strategy, and it works. So this is how the whole auto thing works. Then there are bus, there's metro also. You have to exit and you have to take the bus, which will take you to the metro station. So in Mumbai, when you come and you want to travel with local, there's there is M Indicator. M Indicator is the app which is really amazing to help to communicate. That man actually won some different kind of award. After that, if you want, you can take metro, which is the easiest, and you can avoid your traffic. Then you have a bus as well. So commuting is not an issue when you come to Mumbai. Traffic, yes. If you want to avoid traffic, you can use metro. Rather, if you have time and you want to explore the roads and the way the life in Mumbai is, then you will travel with the help of the bus or an auto. So everything has a different fare, but it is reasonable enough. You should actually explore and enjoy every bit or different types of commuting here. There's also taxi, you can see them. If I come across, I'll show you.
Then finally, I rested and we visited here. Stay tuned what all I ate here. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and definitely subscribe.
We are at a famous joint called Bene Dosa. It's in Juhu somewhere. Let's try how it goes. Look at the queue. It's a long one which is happening.
So not only this joint, there were many more joints that we have explored. So I'll keep you posted once you are here what all you can do. Till then, take care. Malsu next vlog ma. See you.